Hi and hello everybody. I'm Blah Blah. Welcome to Blah Blah Trades. At least my channel name is Blah Blah. Why that is, I will come to that later and I will explain it later as well. I hope you all can hear me. I'm lucky that you found to me. Today I will analyze the NQ a bit. I will use ICT concepts and I'm not very familiar with trading in general, so I'm not like decades in it, just a few years. And who already started trading knows that a few years are not really that much of experience. But anyway, my journey is to become a profitable trader. You see it hopefully back there, like right now, this is a new funded account on Top Step, and it's running with the broker TraderWeight. So it's a demo account. It's no real trading in here. It's just demo profits, demo losses. I would recommend everybody to not go in with real money, with real funds, but do it rather with demo accounts to learn it. So I had a few accounts before funded, already funded, but not pay, no payouts until yet. And yeah, so this is a new account. I'm not profitable yet. This is very important. And yeah, I hope you will join me on my journey becoming profitable, learning ICT concepts. Even for now, this is just for educational purposes. There are no financial advices in here. I don't recommend you taking the trades I do. I just take the trades because I think they're right, but I'm still learning. And if I mention something like order blocks, fair value gaps, or something similar, which is wrong, have patience with me. I'm relatively new to the concepts. I'm still learning them. And yeah, let's dive directly into it. We got the NQ 1 minute chart here. We got the 30-second chart here and the 15-second chart here. I play with three monitors. You just see one, like I got on my left 15-minute matrix where all my new week opening gaps, daily highs, daily lows, and new day opening gaps, as well as the sessions highs and lows, openings, and all the details are. For example, the 15-minute fair value gap, and each time I will show you something, I will copy and paste it into our picture in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? And yeah, so let's dive in. Markets are not open yet. We're still waiting for the opening, but we already got a nice reaction here on the first time real fair value gap. That's what that means. Like it's the first is very self-explaining. RTH is real-time hour. FVG is fair value gap, and there you see the date after it. The date format is in not US. I will change that so you guys will know what date I'm talking about. And yeah, we already said it. We got a nice reaction up here, which is also the new day opening gap high from, let's see if I can copy this. It's the test right now, but yeah, there we go. We got also the new week opening gap high from the 31st of January here. So this is a nice reaction too of it. And like what I would love to see is us hitting the, well, that would be my dream case, but I don't think that will happen. This is the last day high. And is it? Give me a second. Yeah, that's the last day high. I'm not really thinking that this will happen, that it will hit it, but if it will hit it, that would be my perfect short or looking for shorts, because that's my higher time frame key level. I would like to see a manipulation up there, maybe being rejected here or on our new week opening gap from the 26, which would be around here. So we get multiple places here where the price could be rejected and take the buy side of this high as well. Like we got an all way buy side here, right? This is all buy side. And yeah, I would like to see taken manipulation upwards and then crashing down. What's kind of speaking against it is that we got right here the sell side taken out. Could be something which speaks against my theory, but we will see. So what I will see is basically what I will see, what I want to see, better saying, is basically spiking up until here and then crashing down. Like I don't want to see the 15-minute candle closing above the first real-time hour fair value gap from the 7th of February and showing me strength. So I want to see it weak. I want to see it trying getting above there, but being rejected and then crashing down lower. And yeah, like very, very low targets here. The ATR is, I guess, let me see, the average range of, let's switch to daily. What was that? That's a mess. There we go. It's all still in German right now. I will switch this one as well to English. Let's put 7 days in here. So we got a range around 400 points. My target to looking for entries is from here around 300 points, but from the beginning of the day, let me see, where did we start it even? Somewhere here, right? Yeah, there we go. Here was the beginning of the day. I preferably like to take midnight, so that would be, where is my midnight open? Up here. That would be here. There we go. Would be here. So from here we are around 100 points away. So it's a completely makeable range, right? From the opening, it's just 200 points. We get 400 points ATR, so could be absolutely possible that it will hit this. So let's see what price is making on the 1 minute. We got a consolidation here. I don't want to see it pushing down more. I would love to seeing it staying where it is, right? And so let's see. Are there any news today? I don't think so, right? Shouldn't be. No, Japan has a bank holiday today. We got like on 4. We got like 4, no, 2. We got like 2 major events. It's Fed chair testifies. Well, price could drive nuts. Normally nothing I should trade, but it's the first stream, so we will see. Maybe we get something, but probably I will not trade until um, after Powell. So I want to wait. Anyway, I just like the macro between um, 9:50 and 10:10. That's my preferred time. If nothing after this happens or nothing in between this window, I usually don't take trades because I'm not used to it. So I lost a lot of accounts before doing these kind of things, trading outside of my time where I'm good at, trading outside of my pattern, which I like. And right now, I'm starting a stream introducing you to my pattern as soon as I see it, and yeah, then learning with you and sticking with this special um, with this special method I got. Basically, I said it before, I trade ICT. At least I try trading ICT. For now, I'm not that good at it, but I will improve. I will get better. Could be that you hear from time to time some background noises. I got a dog right behind me, and he's dreaming a lot, barking while dreaming, and yeah, seeking for attention if I don't give it to him. But you should be used to it from the ICT streams, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Still sitting in a range here. That's pretty nice here. I'm not sure if yeah, there we go. I wasn't sure if I added the um, first real-time hour fair value gap of yesterday. Mm, There we go. Of course, I have not added it. Yeah, so the opening is right now. We just copying this one. We got a nice bullish reaction here, right? It's not that much. It's just like 25 points, but in the direction of the mm, opening range gap, right? I will show that in a few seconds too. Just let me put this one. Where's my magnet here? Just let me put this one up here and this one up here, and then we should have our, is this the first though? No, it's not. It says from here, this one is our first one. All right, let's change the name. Let's start right now with doing it on the right type of thing, right? Well, it's the 11th of February. Let's do it, yeah, it's better. 11th Feb. Should be clear now. Okay, well, we've gone a bit into the direction of the, there we go, attention seeking. I don't know if you hear him. Yeah, it is what it is. There we go. Here is the opening range gap settlement. or better, opening range gap high right now, right? Mm, we trading in the direction of it. It's a pretty high range, right? It's 130 points, or barely 130 points. The opening was here. Okay, so this is our opening range gap right now. Let's take this one to this side and make it to another color so you guys can see it. There we go. Okay, let's make it in violet. Should be a nice contrast. Okay. So basically, what could be right now, as well as that it hits the 50% level, which is also the conquer encouragement from the first real-time hour for value gap of yesterday. So could be something up here making nice reaction, already dropping down. Then I'm not really interested in taking anything because yeah, it's too short after the opening, and also it's not my level. I wished it to be, but yeah, like we will see. It would be a huge, like my preferred entry is here, right? Yeah, would be a huge up like just for manipulation, but you never know. I mean, it could happen, right? I'm not sure, but we will figure it out right now, right? There we go. Fighting on the CE of the first real-time offer value gap on off the opening range gap, but just shoot through. There we go. Here is this level is the 15-minute fair value gap. I will show this to you as well. It's like which one is it? It's more this one right here, right? So this one is the 50-minute fair value gap level. Why did I take this one? Because it's a huge displacement. You see it, right? Right. It's a very clear level of something happening here. So this is basically something I would see. I would like to see a short reaction to it, going a bit lower and then going higher. What I tried also is not just trading my wished point, like not just trading this one up here short, but rather trading both. Like if we start here the way up and then down. Yeah, that did not age well. I lost my accounts on that because it's not always happening as you think, right? And you're so programmed to your bias when you think it will be hitting this and then going short that you not really so flexible with anything before, right? You think it will go there and then to take it short. So if something happens over here, at least for me, I'm not really that flexible. But yeah, we will see. Maybe I try it at some time, at some point when I got some nice profits in it. Um, Before funding or after funding. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and then I could go a bit more onto your wishes as well and doing what you guys think is good. Okay. There is a lot of delay. Like I look down here on my phone, I don't know if you see it, yeah, um, on the stream, and either it's my Wi-Fi or I'm fast. um, Fucking delayed, right? I don't know. We will see. Mm, there we go. Haven't even looked on the. Do you see it? If I, yeah, that's way easier to do this one, right? So basically, right now we're in this fair value gap up here. The level I would like to see it being rejected is around here. So would be really nice. Could be possible that it will hit the high of the volume balance here, right? What would be like, there is my 15-minute matrix. Um, this one is wrong. There we go. And yeah, this would be basically this level as well around here. So it would be pretty nice. Um, could happen, could really happen. The whole candle of daily looks pretty nice. Weekly is a mess. All right, it's it's just in a range, like for weeks. It's really crazy. Hourly, it looks like always in a short upwards trend, so could be the same pattern again here, like trying to overcome it, like this highs here, and then going a bit over it and then crashing down until it maybe hits the sell side and then takes the buy side. But we will see this as well. And here the nice level on the 4 hour is this, there we go, is this fair value gap. And the low of this very fair value gap is, as well as you see, the high of the volume imbalance on the daily. Like this level is this level as well. So yeah, a few things align in here and maybe plays out as I think, but that's something we will see in a few. So we right now 10 minutes after 10 minutes after the opening. Yeah, rejected on this first real-time offer value gap of the last day on January as well. Look how nice, like you can see it here. It's going up, 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 up. Here a little consolidation on the high of the real-time hour value gap yesterday, going high, 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 and then being rejected on the very beginning. Like, look at this, the body. It's crazy. The body here respecting absolutely the level of the fair value gap and going down. Man, I would be annoyed being short right now. There was a time, like at the very beginning, where oh, this is also a nice sell side here. There was a time at the very beginning, right, when I started with trading, where I took every trade, every trade. I haven't cared if it's my pattern. It was just FOMOing into everything, into literally everything. But yeah, most time with losses, few times with a win. But I think that's how it is. Okay, let's delete this opening range gap high because we got it here on the level, and also make this one in the same color as the frame in the same color as our square, right? So let's switch to the 1 minute. Nice, nice. So you see that it goes through with 1 minute, being rejected here, going down, but respecting with the wicks here the high of the real-time order value gap, here the midpoint of it. And yeah, what I would like to see is some similar reaction right now. Maybe trying it once more, or maybe trying it just on the frame of it, and then shooting high. And shooting high, and there we got a cluster of some levels, like a cluster of new day opening gaps from the 8th of February, 11th of February. Yeah, here's the low of the 8th of February. Here's the new day opening gap low of the 11th, new day opening gap high, and the new day opening gap high of the 8th. So there is a cluster here with a lot of new day opening gaps, but I don't think they will have a huge impact on the price right now. But we will see. How I said, I would like to see it hit the frame up here. There we go. Come on. And then being rejected higher. We got also our, like, don't forget the other levels, but for here we got the midnight open here as well. And we got also our, there we go, here. We got also our 15-minute, let's make this in another color. We got also here our 15-minute fair value gap, which we have to keep in mind. So just for short time, let me take this off. You see it here. Here it hasn't hit the CE level of the, delete this real quick again. Here it wasn't able to hit the CA level of the real-time hour fair value gap from the last day of January. But what was this level where it has been rejected? Was the, let me see, there we go. I will show it to you on on the other chart as well, so you see I'm done talking some trash here. Like, there you go. Let me take this away. There we go. Like, this is the fair value gap I talked before about, with a huge displacement. You get a low here. You see it's the same level like this low here. And yeah, basically this is the CE of it. So yeah. That's a strong up move here. So we've been rejected again on the real-time hour fair value gap of the last day of January. In terms of range, in terms of range, it really could be that it will be rejected up here, or as ICT always says, maybe on the last bit, like leaving a bit of the opening range open and then crashing down lower. Yeah, because it's kind of respecting this whole level with the wicks, the CE level, and what we talked before with the CE level of the other fair value gap, and also with the bodies. I mean, look at this. It's completely respecting it, right? Not closing above. The same could be saying about the level here below, but it has gone through. So I think the resistance in terms of, if you want to say it like this, um, could be not that high or not that impactful as this one. But yeah, I would like to see it shoot through, shoot through. Maybe if I push it like this, shoot through, it will go. No, maybe not. I don't know. So yeah, you see it. We kind of in a range between those two, or rather three first real-time hour fair value gaps. I'll take this one a bit lower so we see more of the chart a bit nicer. So let's mark out our first real-time hour fair value gap. We got here a volume imbalance, right? Pretty small one, but pretty nice. This one is a, yeah. I don't really like those small type of first real-time hour fair value gaps. Like those are not the real um, kind of fair value gaps for me. They have an impact, but not that much. So it's really not that, not that strong. Like those with displacement, like those who really are visible as fair value gap, right? So I'm talking in terms of this is enough. This up here would be enough for me because it's not a really huge displacement, but there are more to it. Like there we got this small volume imbalance. Let me see. Um, Honestly, I have no idea how it is if there is a volume imbalance and here is a volume imbalance. If I take like the complete fair value gap or not, I don't know. Anyway, let's make it a bit more cleaner. Let's delete. No, this was wrong. I want to keep this one. I want to delete this one. So you see it here as well, man. This is crazy. It's like respecting this with the bodies. It's drawing out the lines, as ICT used to say. And yeah, here it goes above it, and then it's holding strong here, and then it goes through, right? So we're in the macro right now, right? It's 9:50, and we're not even close to the level I want it to be. Could be, could still happen. I will not say it's not possible that it happens. But yeah, I'm not really sure. Like I don't know if I would take it even if it would happen, because man, this fat testimonial is driving me kind of nuts. Because I don't know, and also the president speaking, Trump. I really don't know what to think about it. Let's see, time will show. Again, it's respecting this level, right? It's not really shooting above it. Inside the macro. So normally the macro is the perfect excuse for a run above highs, but I don't feel like it will happen today. Maybe I'm wrong though, but yeah. Still respecting this level. This is awesome. This is also funny. Look here. This is also the right here. Man, oh man. You can write this in a book. It's not possible to show this because here, this is the perfectly fine daily high of the 5th of February. You can look it up by yourself. I will not show this to you right now. Do I? I will show it to you. Look, there we go. It's like on, it's 11:30 here. Yeah, it's not really the AM and PM time, but I think you will get it right. So it makes a short high up here and then opens a bit lower on 12. So you see this is the high of the very day. Basically this level, and it's respecting it. It's respecting it, I think, to the tick. Look, its high is on 21,806 and 25. Yeah, and it's the same level. Like you see it on the right. I can't move the cursor right now because otherwise it would, yeah, anyway, here. 21,806.25, and here it's the same, like 21,806 point. You see it here above 21,806.25. It's beautiful. And some would say that I got a lot of levels here, but you need to know there are some levels which are for me like heavier and some are not so heavy. For example, it's very much depending on time. Those levels up here, 29th of January, 4th of February as well, are not really that impactful to me. As well here, the 31st new day opening gap high, like I count them in, but I do not really care so much about them. And yeah, like the fifth is still within in the time frame where I say it's important to use them, but everything down, like everything behind the 5th of February is not that much of important to me. Um, although I will of course integrate them in my decision making of taking a trade or not. Man, this is consolidating here. Only the opening was a lag, and right now it's just being within a range, and it's just a range of, I don't know, how much is this? Let me see. It's just a range of 40 points. There we go, 40 points. Man. It is what it is. I feel like since the beginning of the year, trading changed a bit. Like not the system or not the algo on itself, but it feels like it's running differently, right? I feel like the things still work. I mean, obviously you can see it, but things have changed a bit. Prices we had before in the let's take a look on the weekly. There we go. Well, this is not so nice. Let's go up here. Yeah, there we go. Like this is for weeks, right? This is this whole um since beginning of December, yeah, since the beginning of December, we're just inside this range. I mean, it's a pretty huge range. It's like, I think it's 2000, yeah, it's 2000 points. But anyway, we're talking here about 2000 points within 5 weeks, right? That's pretty crazy. It's 25 days, like that's a month. My dog is attention seeking, or rather, it's not my dog. It's my brother's dog, and he's just in our office. Sometimes maybe you will see him one day sitting behind me, or no. Yeah, forget it. I got a I got a different background, so yeah, you will not see him probably, but maybe the dog if he sticks his head into my desk. Let's see. There we go. Manipulation going upwards. And now I want to see breakthrough. This is I think this is the effect um, of the Powell testimonial, right? Pretty sure about that. What is this even? Ah, that's my daily high. Why is this red? Never make them red. They're normally blue. Anyway, yeah, it's doing it in a really small range, but this is a typical move, right? Taking sell side, taking buy side, just humiliating everyone who thought, oh, I will take a short here because maybe it go there, maybe I'll take a long here and there. Stop losses are here and finished. Okay, so we closed above it, above the fair value gap here. Like, do we get some levels in here? We have like this is new day opening gap from the 8th of February. You see it here, like this one, right? 8th of February, this level. Mm. For example, this level, the new day opening gap, what is it? Low of the 8th of February is something I don't really give too much attention to it. Like you see it, it's maybe a short reaction. But I think it will go back and will go through. Probably I'm wrong. I don't know, but at least it's not a level I give too much attention to it. Could also be because we punished the high of the Asian range right now. So maybe it just wanted to take the sell side here. And we said it before, leaving there we go, leaving a small part of the opening range gap open. But yeah, let's see how it's reacting on the real-time hour value gap, right? It looks good. It's respecting it, but yeah, for me, I'm done. Like I don't take any trades today because yeah, I don't want to go short here. I show you why. We got like multiple things going. We got this volume imbalance here. It does not hit it. We get the opening range gap here. It's not hit it. Um, we get also this CE of this fair value gap. It's not hit it. And then the highs, which are really a massive draw, um, in my opinion. So for now, for today, I will not do anything at least until no, no. I don't want to do anything stupid, so I don't take any trade. I don't take any trade if it's not. You see, I'm just like uh, um, I'm just negotiating with my with myself here. No, but I don't want to do anything. I want to do, but it's not smart to do it, so I won't do it. I think that's it. I think that's it. And mm, yeah, I think that's it. They trick buyers in right now. Because for normal peeping, normal peeping, what is peeping? For normal people, this could be like a funnel, I guess, right? And yeah, so I think it will maybe it go maybe it goes down again, and then it will trick people into selling because that's what it looks like right now, right? But I don't know. Let's see. Let's delete this level as well. Maybe I should. How is it if I take those up here? Oh, that would be a mess. I don't want to do that. Is it really? Oh, holy moly. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I try to move my first read-time offer value gaps to the 15-minute chart, but that's a mess. That's really a mess. That's too much. That's way too much. Yeah, we are in the range again, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty nice, nice trading day. Nice start. Anyway, so if you wonder why I'm struggling with some words or my explanation or how I say things is not that precise or that good. I'm not an American. I do this in English and in um, all in you, or I try at least to do it all in US to first improve my English skills. I try to do a lot right now to improve it, just to be better in it, and also to um, like target more people. I'm from Germany, and I don't know. I don't feel like in Germany there is really a market for showing people how to trade. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there is maybe there are some German guys in the near future in my channel on my live, and maybe they say, "Hey, I would love to see you do it in German." So who knows? Maybe I start doing like the London session in German and the um, New York session in English. But I think that would be a mess, right? Maybe with another account. Blah blah Händler would be in German. German is so hard, right? It's so hard language. Like it's straight to the point. It's not like France where it's Durian, where it's really going off the tongue. German is like hard. Everything sounds so aggressive, but it's funny too. I like it. What I don't like is a price just staying in a range all time. I don't know if you hear the dog. But he's really seeking for attention. So let me see. How long is this Testify going? Let me see. I looked it up right now on Forex Factory, right? And mm, 27 minutes ago, this could be it. CNBC. Yeah, they're still talking. Yeah. Let me show you this. It's funny though. Can I show you this? No, I can't bring it into it. Oh, that's sad. I can't show it to you. No way. Oh, that's so funny. Is it possible to just make a screenshot and drag it into it? There we go. Where it is? Here. Yeah, look at this. I'm not sure if this is a mobile, but this person all the time is on this device, right? Just looking into it, sometimes looking up. Maybe you can tell me if this is a phone or what she's on. Oh, damn, she's smiling at it. It's a phone. It's a phone. I'm certain it's a phone. I believe so. Damn, they make him round right now because of the rates he kept rising. Well, anyway, it feels like this is a bit more it feels more like it's about some feels more that it's like not about really. I have to close this, otherwise I can't concentrate. I'm not good at multitasking. It feels more that it's like about certain um, things that happened, and not so much about the financial situation on itself. Like it's more like people asking him stuff and not really him speaking. He just sits there and looks kind of, yeah, lost. Feels like people waiting in here, right? Feels like people waiting in here to make something happen. Maybe they wait for Powell to say something. I don't really know. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like um, news when I started trading, like a few years ago when I was introduced to it, I I tried it, man. I have to put a chart on X how the charts used to look when I began with trading. It was a mess. I wasn't even able to see the candles anymore, right? It was really crazy. But I feel like at my beginning time of trading, the price respected more the outcome of certain events, right? For example, let's take inflation rate or something like this in our focus. If there was bad news, there was the reaction which was expected from the market. If there was good news, there was the reaction expected from the market. Maybe with like a fake out or something. But right now it feels like even if you got like good or bad news, it goes in the complete opposite direction, stays there. Like it doesn't really care what kind of result the news brings with it, just using the news as a kind of reason to bring the price to certain levels you want to bring it to. ICT says that a lot, right? Manual intervention into the algo. And although I'm not sure if it's only the algo, um, or if people really interfering in it, but it seems so true. It seems so true. First, when I saw the or my first ICT videos, and he talked about an algo controlling the charts, and I was like, what is this guy talking, man? And I listened to him more and more and watched more videos and showing us examples. And then I looked into the chart and man, I built an opinion for myself, and it's really controlled, right? It's not possible for humans to be so precise on something. Like if it's really psychology behind trading and you just have to be smarter than the guy on the other desk, it wouldn't be that precise. Let's take this for example. This one here is right now a nice example, right? I mean, it's a bit over it, but it's that's okay. It's still respecting it on because NQ and MNQ kind of or US 100 is kind of um, they're not the exact prices, right? So the price acts in a bit of a different manner. And yeah, it wouldn't be that precise, right? It's it's not, in my opinion, it's not possible if there are humans behind this controlling it, like you and I making the price with buying and selling. It wouldn't be it wouldn't be that precise because there are too many newcomers, and that would mean that the newcomers would make the price. Or the other way around, if you get to learn something, it would hit each time. So for me, it makes no sense. For me, it absolutely makes no sense. I don't know. Maybe I'm delusional, but that's how I feel. Yeah, still we respecting this one. We closed a bit out of it here, but that's the 5 minute chart. It's 20 minutes after 10. I don't know. I don't feel like something is happening here anymore. And yeah, so I will wait until maybe 11, 11:10, and if nothing happens until then, I will just close the stream. Maybe I close it earlier. Maybe if 10:30 the macro and 10:20 to 10:40 isn't giving me anything, I will not care anymore. Because anyway, I will not take a trade right now, so it's just analyzing. And I'm not even sure if something will happen or if we just will trade in this range. I think tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Your news. Let me see. It's like, yeah, tomorrow we got core CPI, and on Thursday we got PPI. This will make a huge impact. So where are my ranges at? At 1 minute here. Let's switch this. Yeah. So maybe we're just trading inside of the range and to hit my level tomorrow and then going down like maybe on CPI, PPI tomorrow, the day after. No, not the day after tomorrow. CPI should be already high impact on the price. So maybe tomorrow we reaching like my level. It's 21,966, and today we're staying in a range. I'm still, at least for now, I'm bullish until it hits my level. I don't think it will go lower. Um, yeah, but this kind of price is making me crazy because we got a short up leg consolidation, up leg, the opening, right? Consolidation, up leg, manipulation, like short manipulation of the people thinking it goes higher, going back into the range. Now, what the thing is, I'm not sure why it should go higher now before taking out at least on low here, because everyone who was like, well, yeah, it does. I'm sorry. No, I was wrong. Yeah, it just took out the sell side here. It could be like it's an intermediate high, intermediate term low here. And yeah, it absolutely could be that it goes like up from here. But let's see, because it took the sell side, took the buy side, then it has gone down. Well, it hasn't gone down below this low, but it doesn't even necessarily have to. We're not even hitting the opening range gap, opening range high, opening range gap high. Yeah. This is a really slow day. That's a really slow day. There we go. We closed above. And now I would like to see it coming down to the real-time alpha value gap of the last day of January, bouncing away from it like on the high, and then it could possibly hit my level. And then on 11, the typical retracement against the direction of the morning session, right? So which would mean maybe, oh man, that's pretty high. That's pretty high. I don't see that happen. Ah, that's a mess today. Right now we're at opening range gap higher. There we go. No, that's wrong. Ah, come on. Opening range gap high. There it is. Right now we're on it. And yeah, let's see. Let's see how this is acting, right? There we go. Here is it too. I don't know why I have copied the other one, but yeah. Anyway, this could be the thing I mentioned before as well. It isn't, I mean, that it keeps this gap open and drives down a bit, but it doesn't. Right now we go higher, higher. We're short before like the CE of the a higher, bigger 15 minute fair value gap is up here. Yeah, I want to see a short reaction there at least because we bounced back like the last day high is on the high of it perfectly, bounced back there. So I would like to see at least a reaction there, right? Going back, shoot through. Nice. That's also typical, right? When we get a level of resistance, like a shoot through it, and closing above means that it's not respected, and now it should respect it from above. Um, like I think if next candle is opening, and let me put this one. No, that's wrong. Oh, come on. This one. Maybe I think if this one closes and we go down until here, and my theory is done. Okay. I thought about international. That's wrong. That's wrong. Nothing international. I don't even know how this is called. Order flow entry drill. I forgot the first word. Institutional. Man, fog it. Institutional order flow entry drill. Could it be now as well? Like if it's one tick here. If it's shooting high right now, it could be this as well. And yeah, so my hope is still in race right now, right? It's 10:30. We're in the macro. The only macro outside of the 15s to 50s to 10 macros. Well, CE, is it? Yeah, no, it isn't. It isn't. It's not. It's not. Yeah, but it's in the upper half of it, right? Now there is your reaction. I would like to. Is there a level of resistance anymore? No. Um, I would like to see it now going rather with low or no resistance. If it closes above this level here, like 21844, I would like to see it shoot. Shoot. Let me see. Oh no, we got here the high. Yeah, I would like to see it when it's closing above here. I would like to see it shoot at least until here, like from 8.6 to 8.7. Yeah, but it's important to close over this level though, because this is the CE of the fair value gap, 50 minutes. So if we're not able to close above this level, I have to wait what the price is doing. But it looks pretty good. That was the Kramer effect, right? So we closed a minimum below it. When I talk about minimum, I talk about it's like 21,835, and here we got, oh shit, 21,837. We're talking about not even two handles, right? We talk about like one handle and one tick. No. Damn it. Two handles and two ticks, rather than not three handles, but there you go. Yeah. Maybe just two handles, no ticks. So we're dancing around again. It makes me moan, man. Moan. uh, I need another coffee. I need another coffee, man. Let's describe this one a bit preciser. Disp for displacement, right? And this one is rather small. Small. I know that small is written with two L's, but it's for visibility, because yeah, it's nicer if they in a line, right? Instead of having something with 5 letters, 4 letters, 1 letter, and switching all the time in between all these levels. Right now we're going down to the, let's take this one in focus. We're going down to the opening range gap settlement again. So you see, I would like to, or I wanted to see it go up there. That's 160, yeah, around 160 points, 160, 170 points from here. Like this level, no, it's not even. Why? Oh, I was wrong. It's like just 60 points from here, but yeah, anyway, it's like 10:30. Um, the second macro of this hour is barely done. Not even done, sorry, not even done. There are 3 more minutes, but I think that will not happen something really exciting this morning anymore. Yeah, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's high resistance liquidity run because it's kind of respecting the levels, right? But yeah, and here that's sloppy. Um, it's respecting the levels, but yeah, it's not a it's not a low resistance liquidity run either. It's just dancing around. It doesn't want to do anything. Mhm. Yeah, so I will stay with you like, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes more to 11:10, 11:15. So just to make sure it doesn't hit the level when I'm as soon as I'm leaving, because yeah, 11 could be once more the time to go to my level and going back down from there. But I don't feel like will it will go there today, or at least not in the morning session. Maybe today in the afternoon. I will not trade the afternoon. But it will not do my part in the morning session. So maybe the morning session it where is my there we go. Maybe in the morning session it will go like um maybe that's a good question. Where I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea, man. I have absolutely no idea. There is nothing in there, right? Nothing. Nothing from with huge interest at least. Yeah, there is. There is this level here. Like this could be. This could be. I said it before. This could be a reaction level. We got the volume imbalance of the 4 hour. Mm, could be that we will go up there. I'll show it on the moment chart short as well. That's like here, right? It's like this level. Could be that we go up there and from there taking. No, it's good. This is the high. Now going up there, going down again, making the 11 retracement move, 11 o'clock retracement move, and then going back up again. Going back up again, and for the afternoon session, taking the highs, and then maybe it will. Maybe then it will do my pattern. Because I don't think that it will. I cannot imagine that it's strong enough to go through this. Oops. uh, to go through this volume imbalance here and to go through this fair value gap as well. Um, Here to this start of the fair value gap as well. I don't know. Those are two levels. They are pretty strong for me. We got still the highs in play here, and also here. There we go. Here, this highs are also these highs are in play. Yeah, but I don't feel like it will take them. I think it took this high, 966, 968. It took this high already. So maybe this was enough. We will see. But for now, our 1020 to 1040 macro is done. Nothing has happened so far. That's a really slow cook. Man, I started with meme coins. Holy, as is crazy. As is really crazy. It's you can't compare it to indices or to stocks in general. You can't absolutely compare it because man, this is crazy. You're getting rugged. Like rugging is if they really nuke the chart, and it's crazy. It's absolutely there is no mercy, man. There is no mercy in meme coins. That's why they call them shit coins, I guess. But yeah. So I started with meme coins recently. Mm, to be fair, without real technical analysis, so I kind of use it a bit, but not that much. If you would like to see it, we can do like um, adventure onto the meme coin space as well, and making there a few trades. It will not be with TradingView though, but it's like Pump Fun or Pump Tires or whatever. There are different platforms to use it. In all honesty, like I said it at the beginning of the stream, that I think it was somewhere around here, that I could take this long to my destiny I wish for. Um, so would be nice, but man, I don't like to be that long into trades, right? It's this is where could have we entered? That's here we got low, high, low, low, high, and then we closed above. There we go. Let's say here, right? Because this is the retest of our breaker. Until not even now, because I'm usually closing it at 100 points, right? I don't make like I wouldn't hold until 200 points. It would be too much. Um, like say until here, okay? First time it could hit it. It's like here. 32 minutes, not even that long. I thought it's longer. 32 minutes. It's long. It's long, but it's pretty okay. It's pretty okay. Just this would be annoying, right? Staying in a trade and it's consolidating all the time. Usually I close the trades there. Maybe that's wrong though. So we going higher as expected, but a bit late. A bit late. And after 11:10, I will not take any trades. Maybe 11:30 when it really looks like when 11:10 when 11:10 yeah, when 11:10 macro, like the 10:50 to 11:10 macro is violating my last day high. Let me drag this again one more time into here. If this hits the if this is hitting within the macro and there is the possibility that we will go lower after the macro, I would take something like I said it yesterday on X. I would take something like a displacement lower or a breaker or something like this. That would be something I would love to see. But yeah, let's see if this will happen how I wish. Okay. And if it's not going up there until 11:10, I'm out. I'm out and I'm closing this live stream and grab something to eat. Out of depression because I haven't took any trade, right? So I'm so sad when I don't take trades. It's so depressing. Okay. Man, this is going slow. It's going slow, but it's nice. It's like there is no really crazy move in here, right? It's not ripping something off. It's like smooth. It's like with consolidations, with consolidations. But yeah, smooth. It's going up. It's consolidating a bit. It's going up. It's consolidating a bit. It takes out a bit of the sell side here, but nothing really mad. Then it goes up again. Then it's consolidating again. Goes up again. I mean, it's long. It's slow, but it's going. It's going upwards. Because there are type of moves where it goes up and then it goes half like 90%, then goes up again, and yeah, like really high resistance liquidity round, which is just um, seek and destroy, right? Like taking high out, taking low out, taking high out, taking low out. That's the kind of days I usually get raped. Yeah, man, I had like I don't know, I had like 3 funded accounts. Three? Yeah, three. I had two 50K, one 100K account funded. Never made it to a payout. Never made it to a payout. This would be the first time, man. Maybe you're with me, watching me on my first time, like the first time payout, right? The first time payout. I changed my mind. I like this. I like this price action right now. It's slow. It's really slow. So there's nothing. nothing really exciting about it. But man, it's nice. It's a nice move. It's how price should acting, right? It's going up, maybe without consolidations, but it's how we want price to act, right? Like smooth higher with little consolidations, just making the ground for higher prices. This will be my, if it comes to here within the next 20 minutes. Now the macro is starting. It started 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. If it's being rejected somewhere around here, and it gives me a something which shows me weakness in price, I would take it until maybe 810, maybe 810, maybe 830. Yeah, maybe 830. Maybe I will do like 830, maybe 830. Maybe 830 as a partial. Yeah, no, there is this one. What is even, let's see this one. What is even 50% of this one? It's here. So first would be this one. Yeah. No, I would 849. 849 as my lowest hanging fruit, and from 849, I would look for a terminus somewhere around here. But yeah, let's see. First, price has to develop a bit more again. Oh man, I have to sneeze. Holy. Is this a sign? Is this a sign? Is this a sign I have to go short? No. Man, that was me in the beginning, right? Sneezed one time, took a trade after it, won. And the next time I sneezed, I was like, oh man, I have to go looking for trade because last time I sneezed, I won. I will win again. I just will win when I sneeze. In the beginning times, people are kind of desperate, right? It's like, give me a trade, give me a trade. I want to trade. Yeah, but with time you learn like it's the waiting and the patience which pays out. I mean, even now, I don't want to say I know how price moves, but I got a kind of feeling how and where which direction price is going. But somehow I'm so impatient, right? I'm so impatient. I'm thinking I'm seeing a trade and I'm taking it. I don't think about it. I'm just taking it out of stupidity. It's simply stupidity. Let's call it the way it is. But this will change because right now I do the stream to not be stupid anymore. I do the stream to take my rules as they are and not breaking them, and to follow my principles and to follow my pattern. Usually, so basic theory is it's I think it's a mix out of the model 2022 and the silver bullet, but I'm not 100% certain because I'm not really familiar with the silver bullet. But basically, it's I'm looking within only one macro, or if I see price action like this, I took the macros after it as well. But usually it's been proving me wrong before 11, so yeah, I can just quit the idea of taking a trade. But um, it's I want to see it violating a higher time frame key level, and after it's violating a higher time frame key level, I want to see it break down. Like, for example, here if we take the last day highs, the last day high, I want to see it go above, being rejected, closing below it with the body. I mean, the wick can wick through, but the body should close below it. And then I want to see a weakness, for example, through a displacement lower, an inversion level which goes lower, or a breaker. Like breaker is my S tier um, entry, but yeah, it does not happen all the time. Sometimes it's inversions, and let's see. Maybe if I stick to my model and stick to my pattern, it will it will play out well, and I get a feeling that it will play out well because each time I hold on to my rules, they really went. My trades really went well when I stick to my rules, weren't breaking them. So right now you see what I suggested before, or what I wanted to see. Like it's been rejected on the volume imbalance high here. It's been rejected. Like that's the reaction level. Let's make it a bit. No, come on. Let's make it a bit slow, a bit smaller. Here, that's the level it has reacted to, and now it's going down. No, I would like to see it. I don't know, somewhere here. The maximum would be here. The maximum. I don't want to see it there, but the maximum would be here. But it's 11. Like we're in the macro of 1050 to 1110. Could be that it's retracing right now. I mean, it's been a really long-term run higher. Let's call it walk higher, right? That's not a run. A long-term walk higher, but no, yeah, I don't think it will go up again. Like not above, not to my level, not to my level here. No, here, not to my level here. I think it will capitulate. Capitulate? Is this right? I don't know. I don't care. I think it will be weak from here on. Now it will be weak from here on, and normally if this would have happened here, this would be my entry, like high, low, high, or high, and then breaking through and using this as my breaker. But right now it just broke through the 8th of February, and that's not the level I want to see. That's not the kind of reaction I expect from the price. So I will be fine not taking any trade today. That will be fine for me. That will be okay. It's dancing around the level of the CE. It's here from the bigger 15-minute for value gap. Yeah, and also there is the new day opening gap high from today. But yeah, as I said, maybe it goes up a little bit and then going down with displacement. But eh, man, it still has 7 minutes in the macro, but I don't feel like it's going really up again. As I said, maybe a bit to break lower below the CE level. But I think we can expect lower prices, at least, or at latest when it's breaking below this one, when it's breaking below here and retesting it, and we see a reaction out of this, then then I'm sure that it's done. Like we will see lower prices down from here. How's this looking on 5 minutes? Even here we got a breaker. It's like high, low, higher, high. I'm sure if it's breaking below here and retesting it, that's done. That's a short then. That's the short then, but it's open. Still everything is open, so it's not. For me, it's not a high probability right now. It's just a higher probability um, than going up again. Like when I have to be specific about this. When I talk about it has to go up, change my mind. I'm talking about this level, right? I don't talk about somewhere here or so. I'm talking about this level, and then I want to see it break lower, or at least seeing how it's reacting here. But for now, it's not looking strong for me here. It's building a higher high, so that's the breaker. We can mark it. Yeah, so I want to see it um, break through, closing below. That's very important. Like just a wick means nothing to me. Um, closing below, closing. I want to see below this level, like below, below the wick, not only below the body. And yeah, then the retest. But until then, let me check something real quick. Um, hmm. No, I will wait like, I don't know, maybe 8, 5, 3, 2, 1. Maybe go. Maybe I will wait like, I don't know, 2 more minutes until the um, 11, 11, 10:50 to 11:10 macros is closing, and then I will close the live stream. Yeah. It's not really showing strange. It's strength, strength, strength. Man, I don't know. It's not really showing willingness to go higher. It's not really showing willingness to go lower. That's a typical kind of day where I used to just take trades. Not watching, just take them. Just take any trade in my way, just to have made a trade. Just for the sake of making trades, being a trader, being a scalper. Hey, have you made a trade today? Yeah. Was it good? No, but I made one. I'm a trader. I don't care. Pretty stupid, right? Man. When you call someone a trader, is it when he's profitable, or is it when he's trading? Like there are a lot of people trading, but not trading profitable, right? Not even knowing what they're doing. Here's one example. Um, no, 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 for real now. I mean, there are a lot of people not knowing what they're doing, just trading for the sake of trading itself, and not really for the purpose of analyzing and taking the ideas out of the um, analyzed chart, but rather like copy trading or following someone's live stream and taking the trades they say they have to take. It's already late here, but um, yeah. When you consider someone as trader? When is someone for you a trader? I'm asking the zero, no, the one. There is one viewer. Is it me? Is it me looking into it with my iPhone? That's probably me. Oh man, that's probably me. Okay, anyway, I'm looking. I'm asking you, future blah blah. Looking at this later, when you consider someone as a trader, I would consider someone as a trader when he's profitable, right? I wouldn't say I'm a real trader, but I'm learning to be a trader. It's the same when you learn a job like, I don't know, you're not from the beginning a biologist or something like that. First, you have to study things, and If you're good enough, then you turn into a biologist, for example, but you're not one from the beginning. You're absolutely not one from the beginning, man. You're one when you start working as one. Ah, this price action is amazing. This is going nowhere. This is going nowhere today. We are going nowhere. We are taking no trades. Maybe I switch this to a singing channel. Wouldn't make any difference. Can't sing neither. Just joking, man. I was right. I have to say this. I was right that the price will go up. I was right that it will not hit my level. I said that before. I was right that there will be reactions on certain levels. I was absolutely right with the level of the volume imbalance on 4 hour. I was right with so many things. I was right with so many things today. With so many things. Should I say again? With so many things. I'm I'm proud of myself. That's good. And I haven't took took a trade yet. But you see me going around on my chair, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm shaking, like my hands are shaking to take a trade because my addiction is calling me. There's a voice in my inner head is saying like, take a trade, take a trade. Oh, man. Yep, we still consolidating. It's not looking that we were going anywhere today. Yeah, as I said, I think it will be doing this. It will be taking out the high, maybe this one, maybe not my special high, maybe not my high here. Maybe it will, maybe not, but I think rather this one, taking out this one. Let me think. Let me think. Maybe going down a bit, right? Going down a bit, tricking sellers into a selling pattern, like shoulder, head, shoulder. We know what I'm talking about if this is the head and shoulders, but it seems so. And then like going lower to trick the sellers into selling, and then shooting higher through midday, like 12 o'clock lunch. There you go. There you go. I said it. Tricking sellers into selling. And then going higher, taking this high out on midday and then going lower. But all depends right now on what I said before. If it's closing lower, it's retesting. We see a reaction here lower. Like, let me draw this. Where is my pencil? It's funny because you guys have no idea what is written here. So mhm. Yeah. If it goes like this, that, and then we see like something like this, then I think it will go. That's my, that's my, oh, that's the wrong color. Anyway, Dun, 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 dun. But if it goes like this, I think it will go higher. Maybe to this one and then go lower. Or what also could be is like that it goes to this one. Where is it? Here. Going to this one and then going lower, right? Like, no, I don't want this one. Yeah, yeah, that's the point I want it to be right here. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a mess here. And then going lower. Like these are the three options I see here. It has to close below this. I said it before, wicks are not enough for me. I want to see it close below this one, maybe going rather here, closing here, going back up until here, like to our breaker, right? And then going down. It doesn't look like it wants to do that. I'm thinking, like what I think it will do is this type of the green one, right? I think it will do the green one. That's what I think. That's what I think, because sooner or later it will be go up again. I think it's just heaviness right now to take out some lows here, right? And yeah, like afterwards, um, going back higher again to take all this stuff out. Like it has, oh, you don't even see what I'm talking about. There we go. I think it will take out this lows here, right? The daily lows, long term, like within, I don't know, until March. Yeah, until within February, beginning of March, taking this lows out and then going higher. I think it will go down to take all this out, then go higher to search for the highs here. And yeah, maybe in April or June, May, I don't know. Mm, On the other side again, like in the other direction. We will see. Yeah, but anyway, that's it. I will post afterwards. I will let my drawings there, and I will post afterwards how the real chart looked and what my drawings looked like. Do not give too much attention to these spikes, right? That's just meaning like it's price action, and the time frame doesn't mean something as well. It's just like somewhere in the midday, somewhere between before one, this has to happen, this has to happen, or this has to happen, right? It's not about the time frame or not the time span. It's not about these small actions. It's really just about it's circulating within this range a bit, and then it's going high either to here, or down below. If it goes like above, it looks for me more like this. I think this is my major thought where it will go, but all things could be. And yeah, somewhere around 130, I want to see one of those threes on its extreme, like an extreme talking about here, speaking on in terms of price, right? Not in terms of time span or um, those micro price actions, and seeing it here in terms of price or here. So to make on at 130 the exact opposite of the move, right? I think I still think we go lower in the afternoon, but we will see. So it was nice to having you. I hope you enjoyed my first live stream, or you will enjoy it afterwards, looking back to it. And yeah, give me a thumb up. That would be pretty cool. If you would do that, I would be happy about it. I mean, I see it. I would love to see the engagement of my viewers later on. If I get some, we will see. I don't know. Nobody knows. But until then, have a nice day and enjoy the afternoon trading session without me. I don't want to say I said it, but it seems like it goes up right now, right? Yeah, anyway. Have a nice one. Bye bye.